Hey, it's Boys with the Most Toys coming at you with another Minicon tutorial, Lego Transformers Minicon. So first we did this car version, then you guys top requested that you wanted to see an airplane. So if you haven't seen those two, go back to our channel and check those two out. So this week we are going to build a Minicon tank. Cool. A little green tank. Actually has a rotating turret, which is kind of cool. So you can see here, very simple looking tank, and will become a very simple looking Minicon. So as I reminded you in the last video, you can connect your Minicons to your larger bots if you create a exposed stud or a jumper plate, and then you can do decide to do cartoon or whatever and use them as power-ups or weapons or arm cannons or whatever you like. So let's show you the pieces you're going to need to build this little guy, and you can build your own. So let's check it out. Okay, so here are the parts you're going to need. So pause the video here if you need to get those parts. If you've got tons of Lego just sitting around, you can just follow along, and again you can make the body of the tank gray or another color if you don't have the parts in green. So without further ado, let's get putting it together. Okay, so like the other ones, you're going to take this inverted bracket and you're going to take a 1x1 brick with a stud on each one and put it out like that. You're then going to take the dark gray clip like so and the green handle piece, put it in, and then you're going to put on 2 more clips again, and you are going to take the handle piece, this time the opposite way, and put it in like that, and you're going to just fold it up like this. So this is what you should have right now. Then you're going to take your 1x2 brick, put it on like that, your angled tile piece, put it on like that. Okay. You are then going to take your 2x2 green brick, put it on like that, your green jumper plate, then you're going to put 2 of these curved 1x2s like that, and then you're going to take a 1x2 plate and another one in there, and your head piece, which makes the gimmick work. You can use a 1x1 round or one of these flower pieces that has a hole through so that you can center it on the 1x2 plate like so. Okay, so we're going to put that down for now, and we're going to build the tank treads. So we're going to take this 1x4 dark gray, and we're going to add 4 of these light gray tile dots, and do that again for the other side. Again, I apologize, these are small. Get my big hands out of the way here. So we got 2 of those. Then we're going to connect it to the dots here on the second wheel. Okay, so then you should end up with something like this. From there, all we have left is to build the turret. So we're going to take this small angled piece, 2 curved pieces, put them on like that. Then we're going to take another jumper plate like that, and then 1, 2 1x1 round bricks. Take your turret now and place it on the tank. And now we have a Minicon tank, and again, as I said, you can build it in whatever color you have available, but that's pretty cool. And again, turret moves. So transformation, again, same as the other ones. You want to flip him around, you want to come back here, and you want to flip out the legs, or what will become the legs, and then you want to flip out, in this case, the treads, which will become the arms. And there you have your Minicon tank. And he doesn't have a name, but you can call him Burl or whatever you like. But all in all, he's a cool little guy. And again, for comparison to his friends, you have the airplane, the tank, and the car now. And then scale as always. You can see they're not much bigger than minifigures. So, hope you've enjoyed these little Minicons. We may do 1 or 2 more, but for now, I think you guys have the idea on how to build your own. Maybe we should do a contest or something. Leave your feedback below about that. Yeah, so let's see what we can do with these, and hopefully it can augment your larger figures or just for fun, these little builds. So until next time, everyone, hope we've inspired you to build your own crazy creations out of Lego. Happy building, everyone, and take care.